how you can crop images with a clipping mask in Figma. So all you need to do is to press R on your keyboard, like rectangle, which is this third option, and select the new area where we're gonna shape and clip and crop that image. So for example, like this. It's gonna look like this. Now we want to right click and send it to back. Also make sure that your images are already in your project. Now select these two layers. One is the rectangle and one is the image. Right click and we want to find use as mask. So click it and this is it, and you can place it like you want. If you double click, you can change the filament. Here I like the crop, and you actually see the extended image, how you are cropping it. Also, you can use another shapes. For example, if you click on this icon, click this arrow, and for example, ellipse, and I want to create ellipse of that face of the dog. So create that. And now again, send it to back, right click, send to back, select these two images or layers, right click and use as mask. And this is actually it. And you can select, for example, the logo or profile picture or whatever you want. You can also double click and change this, and you can fit your ellipse to that clipping mask. So that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.